5 things every print-on-demand seller should automate. Number 1 is promoting your products via Pinterest and the Google shopping feed. Setting up individual listings manually for all your products is extremely inefficient. Instead, use Shopify apps that automatically sync your entire store's products to Google Shopping and Pinterest. These apps can auto-create listings and pins for each product, ensuring your entire catalog gets the exposure it deserves. To maximize reach and conversions, optimize your product listings with top SEO queries and keywords. This automation is particularly valuable if you have hundreds or thousands of products, as it keeps your listings up to date and visible with minimal effort. Number 2 is mock-up image creation. Creating mock-ups manually for every single product can eat up hours of your time. Instead, automate this process using the Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin for Photoshop. This plugin allows you to batch replace smart objects with all images from an input folder and auto-export each updated image to an output folder. You can also set up multiple-step workflows to iterate through several different mock-up templates, saving you countless hours on this process. For anyone in the print-on-demand space who generates custom mock-up images for their products, this plugin is an absolute must-have. Number 3 is product creation on your e-commerce store. Clicking around in the interface to manually add new products one by one is incredibly time-consuming. You can instead completely automate this process using the bulk POD product creator. This tool automatically creates the new products on your store, and it uses AI to generate SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for each new product listing. The time savings provided by this tool can be truly enormous. Number 4 is the creation of artwork images using AI image creators like Midjourney. While AI has its limitations and still struggles with certain prompts, overall it's a powerful tool for generating unique and appealing artwork. For many types of print-on-demand products, AI can produce high-quality images that resonate with your target market. Leveraging AI to create these images can save you time and provide a diverse range of designs to offer your customers. Number 5 is social media post scheduling to promote your products. Manually posting on social media each day not only takes time, but it also disrupts your workflow throughout the day. Use tools like Loomly or Hootsuite to schedule and cross-post your content in bulk. By planning and scheduling posts weeks in advance, you maintain a consistent social media presence without getting sucked into endless hours of pointless doom scrolling. This approach makes it dramatically easier to stay focused on tasks that drive revenue and growth in your business.